Hey there, Jasmine with WTI. If you or a loved one are going to have a mastectomy surgery soon, I highly recommend getting a MOYOAMA post-mastectomy pillow. This pillow has everything you need to keep you comfortable and protected after your surgery. I loved having this pillow on the ride home from the hospital and the first week after surgery to walk around outside and to get me to and from my follow-up appointments. The pillow is plush and soft with plenty of pockets for drains and vacuum packs. It's made to adjust and personalize to your comforts and needs. The ice and heat pack easily slips in and out of the pockets, and the best part is that the pillow cover is removable and washable, which makes it easy to care for. This kit is perfect for each stage of progression after surgery. Once your drains are out, you can graduate to the wide, soft seatbelt cover. It's super easy to install and makes comfortable travel possible. I think this is a great gift idea and an absolute must for post-op care. And that is my point of view.